Hello, fellow students. In today's lesson, we will be learning 50 daily conversational phrases that will help you become a better English speaker and expand your vocabulary. Part 1, Greetings. This is when you meet someone that you know. Number 1, how are things with you? Meaning, how is everything with you? Hi, how are things with you? Pretty good, just busy with work. Number 2, what's your take on it? Meaning, what's your opinion on something or someone? We could meet at 6. What's your take on it? That sounds good to me. Number 3, I'm not really into it. Meaning, I'm not really that interested or excited about it. Do you like extreme sports? Not really. I'm not really into them. Number 4, I am leaning toward this one. This means I'm thinking of choosing this one or that one. Pizza or sushi? I'm leaning toward pizza. Number 5, it's great seeing you again. It means it's good to see you again. I haven't seen you in a long time. Yeah, it's great seeing you again. Number 6, been a while, hasn't it? This means it's been a long while since the last time I saw you. I didn't expect to see you here. Yeah, it's been a while. Number 7, how have you been lately? This means, how are you feeling the past few days? I haven't seen you in weeks. Yeah, how have you been lately? Number 8, what's been happening? This means, what's happening or new in your life? So, what's been happening with you? I just got a new job. Number 9, nice running into you. This means when you see someone that you didn't expect to see. Oh, hi. Whoa, nice running into you. Part number 2, asking for opinions or preferences. Number 10, what's your take on it? We should start earlier. What's your take on it? I think it's a good idea. Number 11, how do you see it? This means, how do you feel about it? How do you see the situation? I think it will be fine. Number 12, what's your view on this? This means, what's your opinion on this issue? We might change the plan. What's your view on that? Number 13, does that work for you? It means, is it okay for you? Let's meet at 6. Does that work for you? Yes, that's fine. Number 14, is that okay with you? We use this when we want to say, is it fine with you? We will start now. Is that okay with you? Sure. Number 15, which one do you prefer? This means, which one do you like? Tea or coffee? Which one do you prefer? Tea, please. Number 16, what would you choose? Meaning, what's your final decision? What would you choose? Pasta, please. Number 17, are you into this or that? This means, are you going to choose A or B? Are you into movies or books? Books. Number 18, what are your thoughts on that? Meaning, what are your feelings about this issue? What are your thoughts on this idea? I think it's good. Number 19, how does it sound? meaning do you agree with it? Let's sign the deal. How does it sound? Sounds good. Part number 3, expressing opinions, positive or neutral. Number 20, I think it's pretty good, meaning I'm very happy with it. Did you try the cake? Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Number 21, I actually like it, means I really like it. Do you like this cafe? I actually like it. Number 22, it seems fine to me. I am all right with it. Is this plan good? It seems fine to me. Number 23, I am happy with it. How's your new laptop? I am happy with it. Number 24, it works for me. It's fine with me, or it's possible. Shall we go tomorrow? Sure, it works for me. Number 25, I am okay with that. Should we buy ice cream? I am okay with that. Number 26, I feel good about it. Are you sure about living in New York? Yes, I feel good about it. Number 27, it looks good to me. How's this outfit? It looks good to me. Number 28, I'm in favor of it, meaning I strongly agree with it. Should we try this new restaurant? I'm in favor of it. Number 29, I don't mind it, meaning it's fine with me. Should we go for a walk? I don't mind it. Number 30, I'm not really into it, meaning I don't really like it. Do you like eating French fries? I'm not really into it. Number 31, I'm not so sure about that, meaning I'm not sure if this is okay. Is this the best idea? I'm not so sure about that. Number 32, it's not exactly my taste, meaning I don't like or enjoy it. How about buying this house? It's not exactly my taste. Number 33, I'm a bit unsure, meaning I'm a little bit not so sure. Do you want to go for a run? I'm a bit unsure. Number 34, I'm not keen on it, meaning I don't think I will do it. Do you like spicy food? I am not keen on it. Number 35, I'd probably choose this, meaning I might go with this instead. Which shoe brand do you like? I'd probably choose this. Number 36, this seems like the best option, meaning it looks like the best choice. Should we take the bus or the train? The train seems like the best option. Number 37, I think I will go with this, meaning I'm comfortable with this. Which color do you want? I think I will go with this. Number 38, this one makes more sense to me, meaning I can agree with this. Should we study now or later? Studying now makes more sense to me. Number 39, I prefer this over the other, meaning I like this instead of that. Which phone do you like? I prefer this over the other. Number 40, I'd probably choose this. Most likely, I will select this over that. Between these two apartments, I'd probably choose this. That works. Number 41, this seems like the best option, meaning this is the best decision. Should we travel to Dubai or London? Traveling to Dubai seems like the best option. Number 42. I'm leaning toward this one. Have you thought about what you want to do in summer? I'm leaning towards traveling to France. Number 43. This one makes more sense to me. Meaning, I actually think this is a better choice than that. Which subject do you want to study at college? Studying finance makes more sense to me. Number 44, I prefer this over the other, meaning I would like this over that. Do you do more cardio or weightlifting at the gym? I prefer doing cardio at the gym. Number 45, this feels like the right choice, meaning this is the right choice. Are you sure about this job? Yes. This feels like the right choice. Number 46. I'd rather pick this, meaning I'd better choose this. Blueberries or mango? I'd rather pick blueberries. Number 47. This is more my style, meaning this is closer to my taste. Classic or modern design? Classic is more like my style. Number 48. I am going for this one, meaning I am going for this option. Which university have you chosen? I'm going for Brunel University. Number 49, this works best for me, meaning this is easier for me. Morning or evening shift? The evening shift works best for me. Number 50, it depends, meaning something happening if only something else happens. Is the test difficult? It depends. Some questions are easy.